Hey, what are you doing out here?
Hello, I am digging up potatoes.
Boy, they need to be dug up. There were
Yeah,
some nasty looking plants.
Right.
Golly.
Yeah.
That's why we're digging them up. Look at that. They are horrible. You think they're ready?
Yep.
How you know?
Ready as they're gonna get.
Whoa!
This looks like Hero on the.
It does. That's Hero. What's his name? Hero?
I don't know.
Hero 6 or something
Yeah,
like that?
something like that. That's different.
Look, hold that up. That's Hero.
Well, hello, welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. It's time for me to dig up some potatoes. So, here we go.
These plants look horrible. But look at those big old taters. Man, that is nice. Look at that.
Well, you can't do that to every potato I get now.
We're excited because this is our first time to ever have any luck growing potatoes.
I'm kind of leery about sticking this pitchfork down there. See, it's like one or two per plant right now.
You want me to get in there and... Oh, I think I heard the wood down in there.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to go down to as far as the wood goes.
When we built these beds, we put a layer of wood down in the bottom and then put cow manure and all this dirt and down on there. And I mean, just look how rich. I mean, that is some really good dirt. And
But potatoes didn't like it for some reason.
so,
I guess.
well, I could go get the drill and just remove the whole side of this and let it fall out.
Yeah. I hate to pitchfork them.
You want me to get down in there?
There's some babies.
Oh, there's some little ones.
Now this is what I expected.
Yeah, that was our very first try harvest several years ago. That's what they look like. Man, them are some really nice size.
Hard to tell clay clumps from a potato.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a tiny.
Little
You
bitty.
probably would have grown the plant.
Yeah.
Well, when I planted them 6 inches deep, and then we put 2 layers
Of dirt on top.
of dirt on top of them.
Yeah.
So just hear them pulling away from the. I might as well weed on here too. The dirt is dry right now. That's
You want me
another
to? You want
thing
me
I'm
to?
afraid of,
Yeah.
is that
I can go get the drill and take off the side if you want to.
no, that'd make such a mess. I'll never get it cleaned up.
Yeah. You want me to do that? Wow.
Potatoes for that one.
Wow, look at those down in there. Well, I'm sure whatever we miss, they'll probably start growing, so we might have fall potatoes. So,
Now, this is the section that was invaded by the ants.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of leery as to
yeah.
what they did to them, but hey, they don't look bad.
Wow.
Oh, look at that one.
Another
Hero.
hero. Y'all know who
This
Hero
is not
is?
quite as hero-y.
Looks like a little person.
That's a big potato.
It's like treasure hunting.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, there's the ants. I did it with my little shovel last time.
I got it. It's in the wagon there.
See, they could have probably kept going, but they just looked terrible.
Yeah, the plants were just, I
I
mean,
was afraid they had some weird virus.
look at the plants. They're just absolutely horrible. And they never bloomed. Never.
No,
they never
just
bloomed.
Looked like they were dying off, so that's why
Yeah, they
we
just looked.
decided to dig them up.
They were really beautiful, thick, green, bushy, and then they just went south quick.
This is good. We'll try another crop. We gotta find a place though. Place to do it in. Well, no, come from on the side that we dug, or else on the end so you can push it up. Otherwise, you're gonna stab something. Hi, little man. Aw.
Trying to get down low. They're sticks.
Look it. Well, where's mommy? She'll help you get candy. Let's go look for yellow ones. You ready? Ready for candy? Oh, Mara.
Woo! Man.
I'm dipping.
I'm starving.
You're starving. Come here and take a picture of this. Oh, you dropped your candy.
Thank you.
Open it and eat it. Well, we did it. Our first year to do potatoes successfully, that they came out where we have enough for a meal. So it was just an experiment, and we will probably not do this again in this bed or in a bed. We will probably do it where it's on the ground. I'm thinking that I might try the one that VW Family Farms was talking about, roost out method, where you just put a bunch of compost and straw and stuff on top of them as they grow. So this was a learning experience, but we have some really great potatoes to eat while we learn. I'm happy, and I am really surprised at how huge these potatoes got. And we had french fries last night with ones that I got the other day. I just dug up 2 plants, and so we'll weigh it and see how much it is. I'm curious to see how much it weighs, so we'll let you know. Thanks for watching.